Hey everyone, good evening. So as you can probably see, I did retry and re um, dye my hair kind of, but more or less just with the conditioner in the shower for 5 minutes. But it doesn't tackle the aggro. As you can see, there's a lot of dye still in there, but it does not help with the aggro at all. I need to do that separately with at least 30 minutes of hair dye. I think that's it because 5 minutes in the shower for aggro is just not enough. But at least my hair is vibrant again. I'm having a little bit of an issue keeping it up because it is a bit of work, even in the shower. Just 5 minutes. It's a very thick stuff, and getting that all through your hair evenly is a bit annoying. So I have places that I do not have dyed. And even if I put it up in a ponytail, like you can see everywhere that I do not have it dyed properly. But that's okay. Next Wednesday, my come on. I've said this word so many times. It's just stupid. I can have whole conversations in English with people, but as soon as I'm in front of the camera, it's like I forget this word, I forget this word, I forget this word. It's crazy. Um yeah. Well, anyway, it's the person that comes to help me every Wednesday, Gwenny. I forgot what it's called now, which is stupid because I know I've mentioned it at least 100 times on this channel, but okay. But she said that if I ever need help dyeing my hair, I can just ask. So I guess I'll just ask her to help me with this, because it is a bit difficult to just maintain it all by yourself. At least for me, it is. I don't know if it's difficult for other people. It's just I have a bit of a volume, and yeah, that volume can be tricky to work with, especially if you're having issues just keeping it all away from each other, just layering and stuff like that. Like, it's just the biggest issue for me. But anyway, and there's this little spot right here. So anyway, tomorrow my mom will, or is supposed to, come again, but she keeps calling off. So I'm not gonna say that she's actually gonna be here tomorrow, because chances are she's not. So there's that. Um, but hopefully she will. Just having a bit of a different day than usual. Also, for those of you who didn't watch the last two videos and who wanted to watch yesterday, I apologize. I could not upload yesterday because of an internet kind of outage. It was a maintenance thing that they do every once in a while, but I have to admit that the, the past couple of hours I've been having internet issues now. I don't know if they're working on it again. If maybe they fucked something up, because that does happen. The last time I didn't have internet for like a week, and they did maintenance on the road about, is it already 6 months? I don't think it's 6 months, but 5 months ago. And it was insane for nearly 1.5 weeks, maybe. I didn't even know anymore. We had no power at all. But I was uploading every single day. I didn't say anything about it. Mainly because internet still worked and I could charge my phone. at other places, and I could upload via my dad's laptop, so that worked. But it was really difficult to play World of Warcraft. So yeah, I couldn't really play World of Warcraft because, you know, when it comes to playtime, I mean, my dad's laptop also had to be charged to keep it up full, and well, it was a bit of an issue having a ownership issue, right? He didn't really want me on the laptop, which is understandable. And yeah, I couldn't really play with my friends because of that, which is also fine-ish. I mean, I get it. He doesn't want me to drain his power. I get it. It sucked. We kind of had a fight about it, but it is what it is. But I have power now, and my PC is fine, and everything is fine. So the only thing that isn't fine is that I'm supposed to be doing a BIOS update. But apparently that's quite a bit of work, and I'm worried that I might fuck something up. Because ever since I went into the BIOS, my PC has been slower in shutting down and starting up. I don't know why that is. I didn't change anything into the BIOS, I just took a look. And when you exit the BIOS and you haven't changed anything, it will also tell you, do you want to leave? You haven't made any changes. And then you click yes, and then you know you haven't made any changes, but now my PC is, yeah, slower, I guess. So I don't know what that is about, but I do have a maintenance thing that I have on this PC, so I could take it to the shop if I need to, and then from there on out just have it not only checked but have the BIOS updated. And once that's done, I will probably look to see if that makes a difference. I mean, it's not really technically necessary. It's just that there's a heating stability issue apparently with my... I've said these words 1,000 times, but when I'm in front of the camera, the CPU I have, the highest that is currently available is the i9 FK KF something, and it's the best CPU there is. But apparently standardly when they're being shipped and stuff like that, they have the wrong settings, which is fine. I mean, the store that I bought my PC from is Dragon Computers. They fix this for you. They already go into the BIOS and make sure that that's fine. Everything is fine. But now every time I start at World of Warcraft, it keeps telling me that I need to update my BIOS. And I don't know if it's really necessary now. I mean, it shouldn't be, because these things have already been changed by the store itself. But I don't know. I'm a little bit worried about it. So I think tomorrow I'm just gonna call Dragon Computers and then see what they say. Which, by the way, if you want to order a PC, if I'm right, they ship worldwide. And in my experience, my personal experience, they are pretty good. They do pretty damn good. I've had about 4 PCs from them now. I've never had issues. There was one PC that I didn't buy from them, and that PC, that had issues. It would get to the point where it would make a lot of noise, and then I would hit on the upside of the PC. And after like 4 years of doing that, it literally has a dent. But there's just nothing else that I could do. I mean, that PC was absolutely annoying with the sound that it was making, and I have no idea what the fuck that was. I think I might have gotten a notification or something. I don't know. Like I said, I'm very easily distracted. But anyways, I don't have great things to say today, I suppose. I mean, I had a video idea, but I forgot it. I suppose that's okay. I am supposed to make couscous today. Cooking it, making it. I'm not sure if I will do that today. Maybe I will do that tomorrow. But I think I might film it in bits and pieces anyway. And then compile it into one full video, and then upload this either tomorrow or on Monday. I'm not sure yet. Because having to make separate little videos, that's pretty easy, right? That's pretty doable. So I think I might do that. But I'm not sure. I think I will. So yeah. Just sticking all those little videos together, that's easy. That's easy with CapCut. Easily done. Bing bing bada boom, right? And yeah, I don't think I will be talking under the video because, I mean, why? It's pretty easy. Yeah, maybe to explain the ingredients or these stuff. I don't know. I don't know yet. I mean, I'm still just figuring out what I'm doing on YouTube anyway. So anyway, I'm gonna leave it at this. I wish you all a very good night, and I will see you tomorrow. Right? Yeah, I will see you tomorrow, and hopefully my internet will work fine, because these fools, it's every time they work on maintenance around here, every time there's issues. It's always something, but well, anyway. So have a good night, sleep well, or have a good day, good evening, good morning, whatever it may be for you. And I will see you all tomorrow. I love you.